Well, guess what time it is?
It's collab time.
And it's with Life with Patti.
And Kathy's favorite things.
You know they're our favorite channels we love to join in with. You know why? Because they don't care what we do. That's what I love. Easy, simple, and they don't care what time we put it up either.
So today's collaboration is ice cream.
Right. And I think my daughter nailed it today.
Well, there's a couple of, there's one new thing from previous post, but there's a couple ththings, but
Yeah.
one DIY that is new. A couple we grabbed from another post, and we love to repurpose
And reuse.
so we don't have to spend more money and exert more energy, because these crafts take a long time to do.
And we spend a lot of money anyway.
Yes. Well, let's not talk about that.
Yeah.
My husband's in the other room.
But we also do repurpose and reuse. The flowers were from a previous post. They're not new. We've used that backdrop too, right?
No, I have not. That's
Okay.
brand new. And that's for spring, because spring's around the corner, and I love the flowers and the trees, and you'll see a better picture of it in a little while, but.
Yeah, we're going to move the camera around, but we didn't want it jerking around. And I wanted to show you how beautiful it is of a beautiful display.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
So in the middle tray, we have our little ice cream cone, not ice cream cone, but ice cream in a cup, but it's whipped up high, and it's got all these different flavors. Yummy. So we've got blueberry, green apple, yellow banana, orange sherbet, and pink sherbet. And we just added a little Mod Podge and diamond dust, and it's sparkling away there.
It is. And then we have our favorite mint chocolate ice cream cone.
Ice cream bar.
Pricing bar.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then we have one that, oh my gosh, what happened? It's melting.
No, it melted.
So that one we'll get a close-up one so you can see it. And then the little teeny tiny ice cream cones I made out of spackle. And it has some sprinkles on it. They're so tiny. They're so cute. It's like a one-bite ice cream. You know, it's low-cal.
Be great for the great grandbabies.
They might eat a lot of them. And then we have our Let's Chill sign, which is our little ice cream guy, and he's chilling because, ice cream is cold, so he's chilling.
You know what would be nice? No, I'm not going to say, because we might do it next year.
All right, next year. And then on the other side is my ice cream cake pops. We're calling that. Sure, that sounds good.
And she made those too.
Yes, I made those. Those were in a previous post. And then on our little dishes is some super cute little Mickey and Minnie ice creams, and then some miniature ice cream cones that is strawberry with sprinkles and vanilla with sprinkles.
Sounds so good.
Aren't they cute? So we got a plate of each. Mom gets one and I get one.
And we threw a little bit of pearls to make it have more of that vintage, beautiful look.
Yeah, I thought with the backdrop and the flower display, it definitely needed a little bit of bling with the pearls.
And we love a little bit of whimsy in everything we do. Well, I'm going to start moving this tablet around for you can see everything on here up really close. Well, as you can see, we've moved it in a little closer, and Debbie's going to tell you all about it.
Okay, so this one first is just Model Magic clay, and I just coiled each color around until I got the height that I wanted. And again, I added some Mod Podge over it and some diamond dust. I added a cute little spoon, got that at the 99-cent store, a pack. And it's got like little pink sparkles in it. And then had this cute little container, ice cream container, and my little raffia, pink raffia. And then look at this cute little cone. It's melted. And I got that from the Dollar Tree. I had an idea of making a project with that, and we'll be doing it in the future. And then here is my cute little cones. Aren't they so cute?
You want to bring it closer? A little closer? Okay, right there's perfect.
And so we've got our vanilla ice cream, and look at this cute little sprinkles in there. I did not make the cone. I purchased that online at Alibaba, but I just filled it with the spackle and then added the sprinkles, and it's got a little bit of sparkle in it. Just glitter, no diamond dust on this one. But these ones are so cute. And then we have our little, do you want me to pull that off?
If you want to, that way they can see it closer in case they didn't watch the video before.
Ta-da. And so this is my little ice cream.
Mint chocolate.
Mint chocolate with all those sprinkles on it. And then the cute little bow. And this was made with a piece of styrofoam that I just cut into this shape. And I placed green spackle over it and then put these little sprinkles and some glitter. Used a little popsicle stick. Cute, huh?
Very, very cute.
So I'll be doing more of those in the future.
Oh yeah, it's super cute. Well, thank you so much, Debbie, for sharing all the wonderful craft projects you did. And we're going to get a little bit closer and show you how much nicer this table looks with the beautiful accessories that we put in, or I should say Debbie put in.
So these are some, they're supposed to be like embellishments for your crafts, but we're using them as, well, what they are, ice creams. So this is the Minnie and Mickey. Minnie is not on there. I guess it's only on the other side. Anyways, these are all the Mickey, and super cute with the little sprinkles on there. And then we've got our little cones, and let me pick one up so you could see. Well, there you go. Now you can see. Now you can see the cones.
And you can see how tiny they were when your hands got near them.
But you've got your vanilla and your strawberry, and they have the sprinkles on them. Super
and then
cute.
she got this beautiful Let's Chill.
Yes.
Super, super cute.
That one was from the Dollar Tree.
Okay, you want to tell them about this?
So it's basically the same. It's just that I added this was my play I put together. Mom put the other play together and forgot the mini. But this is what I was talking about, the mini. She's got her little bows, so cute. And then, of course, the Mickey. And then you still have the same ice cream cones. So cute.
And I wanted to show you these up really close. Aren't they cute? I can't believe I love these.
Yeah, they turn out really cute. And I think it came in the cones came in a package of 10, but I only made 3. I don't know why.
So next year maybe we'll finish having the rest up. And
yeah,
I'd use them in lots of displays if I was you. I wouldn't get rid of them at all. They're super cute.
No, I wouldn't. I'm not going to get rid of them. But I think I can buy some more cones so that I have more backup. Because once you use them for a certain color, you could take that spackle out, but I don't want to.
Well, vanilla is a good color, and you just need to get some chocolate and some strawberry.
Yeah.
And of course, here is her ice cream pops. Aren't they cute? And she made these too.
Yes, I made those a couple months back, and so we're just repurposing it into this collaboration. And then Mom's bouquet is beautiful. I just love it.
And one thing I like to do is make flower arrangements. So this one here I made, I don't know, about a month or 2 ago.
Yeah.
I love doing flower arrangements, and it goes so beautiful with the backdrop. I thought it turned out really, really nice. Let us know what you think.
And here's the top of the backdrop. It looks so pretty with the sunlight coming through the trees. Feels like you're in the garden.
I just love it. Someday, hopefully, I'll have a garden as pretty or half as pretty as this one. I'm working on it.
And a little white picket fence.
Oh yeah, it looks beautiful. So I thought this was a beautiful display that you got together with and did this, Deb.
Yeah, I love it.
And I hope our awesome friends at Life with Patti and Kathy's Favorite Things enjoyed what we put together for this challenge, and it was ice cream. And I thought we nailed it. Let us know if you thought we did or we didn't, and if there's something we could have done better.
Now go out and get yourself an ice cream bar.
And don't forget to go check out the playlist. Hugs and kisses to all our awesome friends.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.